So we are frying chicken today, and this is our flour. All we put into our flour was some Maggi, some black pepper, and we add some baking powder to it, and then we combine it. So we are going to put some of the chicken inside the flour, and then we already have our oil in the pot. Let me turn the light on so you guys can see. Here's the pot, it's a bit brighter. We're gonna put a piece of pepper, and we are gonna add a piece of garlic. Yeah. Let me put it a little bit closer so you can see. So we're seasoning the flour, and we're adding the chicken in. And then we're going to take maybe 5 minutes, 6 minutes to turn it after. What we're going to do, I'm going to bring the camera a little closer. So this is the chicken in the pot, right? So we are going to cover it, yeah, and we're going to leave that for 5 minutes, and then we are going to check it back. Alright, so it's over 5 minutes now. So remember, we cover because we want the steam to stay inside. So now we are going to lift. I'm going to bring the camera just a little bit closer for you to see. Alright, some person asks, how do you know when to turn the chicken? So I know the steam is going really high, but when you see that the sides are getting brown and there's no flour on top, see, look at it, there's no flour on top that you can actually see, that the dust of flour, then you know it's time for you to turn. So we are going to turn, see that one is golden and it's very soft. So we're just turning. Here we go. See? We're turning all of them. Here we go. Alright, so at this time now, we are not going to cover it. You're going to leave it. So the moment you turn it on the first turn, you allow it to stay for 5 more minutes, and then you remove them. Alright, so now 5 minutes has passed. And these are my golden chicken. Just testing it to see. And trust me, it's really nice. So we shake off the excess oil and we put it onto our paper for it to absorb any oil that we have. Okay. So we're testing to see if it's fried before we take it out. Yes, they are. So we are going to remove them. This is just a piece of the garlic. So there we have our nice chicken. One more to go. Alright, so we add in another set right away, and we are going to cover it for 5 minutes. Let's see. Very nice. And trust me, it is delicious. Thank you for watching. Bye.